Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. Okay, I'm going to take you over to see this here. You can see the water. This is the second one. So now I'm going to take it out of this one and I'm going to squeeze it and put it over into the cleaner one here. So let me get this like this. Get you situated. There we go. I'm just going to lightly squeeze. There we go. And we're going to put it into, oh, look how white that is. Oh my word. And there's the water from that one there. It's dark, like not as dark as the first, but it's still dark. Now this is just clear water now. So let's see how well that does, just sitting in there, sitting in the clear, clean water. And let it have some time now to get some of that shampoo out of it. Wow. What a difference. The nice honey blonde just showed up so nice in her hair. Oh, the honey blonde came out nice. It was so dark in areas that I was wondering if I was going to be able to get that out. I didn't know if it was just plain dirt or was it grease or whatever, but it was just dirt. Now you can see it's already, the water's changing a little bit of a color here, but nothing like this. So it's going to take about 2 or 3, maybe 2 good soakings, maybe 3, we'll see. Just take it as we go from bucket to bucket, you know. But anyway, so let it sit and we'll come back again with some more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.